Hey everybody, today I'm going to be working on a 7/8 inch cradled wood panel. It is 18 by 18 and it was unprimed, and I just put a layer of gesso on it and lightly sanded it, so it's all ready to go. The colors that I'm using today, I've got this one here. It is from FolkArt. It is champagne and it's a metallic paint. And then I've got this one here. That one is from DecoArt, and that one is metallic and it's rich espresso. And then I have this one here, and that one I mixed a couple colors with. I used FolkArt aquamarine, and this one is a pearl finish. And then this one here is regular, just regular acrylic paint, and it is from the Fine Touch, and this one is teal. And then the last color that I'm going to use today is right here. That one is DecoArt Americana, and that one is cranberry wine. And I'm going to be doing a double dirty flip with these colors. So let's go ahead and get started. Just put these right here. And I actually made quite a bit of this in case I want to go around the edges with it. So I'm going to start with that in the bottom of each cup. Alright, so I'm going to give you guys the close-up. You can see how really cool these colors look together. It's got a nice shine throughout. Right there it looks really cool because I think the champagne color kind of put a glittery coating on top of the wine color. It mixed really pretty. And then there's just cells all over, especially on this side. There's more cells. So I wasn't really sure if I liked the right side of it as much, but I think it's a nice contrast. So that's why I left it. And there's some cells up in the corner too, so it's not completely just one red blob. There's some, you know, glitter and some other colors throughout there. So it turned out actually really good. These colors are vibrant and bold, and I really like them together. Alright, so thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and have a great day. Hey guys, I just wanted to show you my painting all done. I went ahead and coated it with 2 medium coats of Winsor & Newton Professional Gloss Varnish. You can see that there's a shine to it. I like to use the spray varnish because you can also see the texture, and I love to see texture in a painting. I also want to answer a question that was asked in a previous one of my videos, and the question was where to purchase my paintings. And I do have links in the description to my Instagram, Facebook, and Amazon. I do have more on my Instagram and my Facebook, but you can go ahead and click any of those links and find my artwork there. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great day.